harder substitutions. And why is it called harder substitution? Where you find out. Find the value of these expressions when x is 4, y is minus 3. 12xy cubed, so you're going to understand here y is cubed, and y is minus 3. 3x cubed minus 5y squared. X is cubed, and x is 4, y is squared, and y is minus 3. Now, 12xy cubed, 12 times 4, because x is 4, times, because y is negative, so I need to put it in a little bracket. So minus 3 times minus 3 times a minus 3. Altogether, that will give you minus 1296, minus 1296. If we look at the second question, 3x cubed, 3 times x is 4, 4 cubed. You could say 3 times 4 times 4 times 4. The minus 5 times, now y is squared, but y is minus 3, so I'm going to put that in a little bracket. So times minus 3 times minus 3, close the bracket. Then I close another bracket because I like putting bracket before I deal with negative signs. So bracket here and then bracket here afterwards. So that's why you see bracket here and then bracket here when you're done. So that gives you 327. Try this question. Press pause. When you're done, press play. So find the values of these expressions when x is minus 5, y is minus 3. Here, remember, y is a cube, and here, x is cube, minus is here, and y is squared. Press pause. When you're done, press play. Okay, 8xy cubed, that is 8 times x is minus 5, put it in a little bracket, times y is minus 3, but y is cubed. So minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3, that's it done. 1080. Second one, 5x cubed, and x is minus 5. So 5 times minus 5 times minus 5 times minus 5. Put a bracket, close them up. Minus, because here, so I need to put another bracket. Here, 3 times, y is minus 3. 3 times minus 3 times minus 3, close the bracket, so you got 652.